Hey guys, what's up, Alex? And today we are back playing Animal Jam. Woohoo! I'm going to down the thing so you guys can see. So let's turn off the light. There we go. So now you guys can see a little bit better what's going on. And so can I. There we go. Should it work now? There we go. It's just a little bit of lag issue. But hey, it's all good. It is literally lagging on the computer. So last time I showed you around my den and for a giveaway. Well, you can hear sound because I don't want anything interrupting because there's background music. So I thought I can add the music up here instead. By the way, if you haven't checked out Animal Jam, go check it out. It's a really cool place. It's good. Now, I can use the WASD, which is basically this key. So, I'm gonna have to use the arrow keys, which is I rarely use. Except for, I don't like using these keys. I really like using the other one. But hey. Look, it works. So let's go with it. So that's the first thing we like. Alright, here's my den as I showed in the last video. Don't worry, this will not be either. This would not make me play Animal Jam really more than anything else. So don't think about that. I haven't forgotten the other ones. Please. Don't think about that. So we have my little hamster here. He's following me around. I forgot to add the music. Yeah. I picked up these banners and check out my trade list. If I can even get it. What do you... Is it? Okay, who's in my... No. Nice timing. Oh, come on. Okay, I found it. So yeah, this is someone who's been following me around. So I'm just gonna tell her, cause it's a girl. She told me the name of her gender, and I'm like, okay, I don't want to know. I just want to be friends. That's all. I want to be friends with everyone. It's my mission. It's my mission to be friends with everyone. One. Okay, let's just go to them. Let's do this quickly. I'm sorry if you can't see. I'm cool. Making a video now just to make sure what's happening and she's in the video. I like people being in videos, like friends and everyone else, buddies, because they really accomplish me what I really like doing. Playing. They remind me of such a big sport of this. Cool. Yeah, we are friends. Okay, who is there right there? Okay, follow me if you want. I'm just gonna say that. Animal Jam, of course, silly. I always forget when I spell or type once, I put an H on it. It's right there. It's really a mistake. I really like this. It's a something. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to, who's then exactly? Glacier. Alright, I'll go to your den. I keep meeting so many people. I'll adopt. Christmas special. Oh. Snap. You know what? Everyone's always want to be good. Well, you interrupted in my recording. I'm saying that. Well, interrupted. Well, you interrupted. Well, you interrupted my video. Why? Why did you do this? I was making a video, you know? But it's okay. But it's okay. We just... Yeah. Sorry. No need to be sorry. Anyways, everyone now knows I'm recording, and it's kind of a bad time for recording. So you know what? I'm just gonna look through the camera because it looks too better. So yeah. Also, I'm not making the same mistake, so every time I'm just gonna do this. Wait, what? Okay, we don't have friends. What? What? You can be friends, just Why does this person have to take this too seriously? How does your hugs for days? I like hug everyone. Yay. What? I do not know what that is. So guys, if you do know what that is, tell me in the comment section below. But I'm pretty sure my friend from the other channel, Victor, knows what it is. So I'll tell him tomorrow. Guys, and watch them. I really want to tell them what my channel is. My channel is my name. My video is my name. I'm hopefully they know I'm trying to say channel. Somewhere where you make videos. Except for the one. Oh, come on! I hate this. Jeez. Well, you're in the video, so there's like no reason why to cut out. What is it? My name, except with one. Except the one. My name, except the one. So that's my channel. Yeah, it's pretty hard to find. It's really hard to It's pretty hard to find. I have no idea. Okay, it was anyone? It was in the friends. It was online. Lemmy. So yeah, I've met a ton of people. All you guys. By the way, this is my old account. We have like. And we also have an old friend who once betrayed me for my friendship. Why? But hey, I don't erase them from my list. I don't erase anyone from my list. I have like literally 200. Look. There's right there is 200 friends. That is literally all our friends. I have no idea how my computer still keeps up with this. Okay, so if you see my hand or see the video is rubbish, here's the snake king hides. Okay, let's see if anyone. Okay, let me just show you around Animal Jam. I'll go for my video. Thanks. Oh, but you know what? I'm not gonna send that video. So I was gonna tell you about my giveaway until I immediately got it interrupted. It's over here. Yes, I'm doing giveaways, even though it's an holiday time. I still want to give you guys some stuff. If you don't have an account, then well, yeah. I have got 2 new things from the spinner. It's a. But my giveaway is where? Where's my stuff? Okay, I'm just gonna... There it is. And adding for another giveaway. People have been trading me off. Hopefully they saw me here. So these 2 things. I bought one and then some random person gave me this for a trade. So I bought it again. And I think I have something else in here. I think so. I think it's... Yeah, my hammock. A spiderweb hammock. I have some pretty old things from the beginning of time. What was this? Oh yeah, the seal plushie. Was my... When I traded for... I did get a plush. Where did I? Oh, it's here. So these are my things I'm giving away. I still have my raccoon plushie. So I have my raccoon plushie, the icicles, the whatever that is, the portal, and yeah, the portal. If you don't know what this is, it's basically a place where if you put it down and someone else comes in, they immediately teleport back to your home instead of clicking the home button. It's a pretty useful thing. But just check it out. It's light blue, like the diamond itself. Woo! I like my avatar like this, but I have a lot of stuff here. The golden boots, I don't know. I don't want to trade any of my stuff. But at the same time, I'm trading it for you guys. I have like 3 Animal Jam. Sorry if that was loud. I actually now I'm worried that if this thing is too loud. I'm sorry. Where does this actually? So basic. If you're wondering what the back noise is, it's a movie. Actually, it's an episode on the channel. Yeah. I'm willing to give one of my pets away even though I don't want to. Just look at all my pets. You know what? I'm giving away Orange Chip. Because Orange Chip has been special to me. So take care of him very much. If you let him free, good. Because he deserves to. But if you keep him, that's good as well. Because if he has two options that he likes. And those are the two options you're gonna get. One, it's actually three, he doesn't like, because he doesn't like losing friendships. But one, keeping him. Two, letting him free. I don't know what you do with him, just make sure he's okay. Make sure he's okay. I have Orange Tiger by my side as well. It's not the same color as my stripes right here. Really, this is what I look like as with nothing. Actually, I forgot I can do full screen now. There we go, I forgot I can do this, so... There we go. That's much better. We just sorry, just starting a giveaway. Nothing special, just chatted that. What? No, that's not fair. I'm betting it's the memory space. Let me see. If it is, then, no, it's not. Does it not let me? Camera failed. Well, we're gonna have to use this camera instead. Yay! It's a small thing. So, yeah. I'm not sure if it's a good thing. I'm sorry I can't make it any bigger, but this is the biggest you're gonna get and the biggest I'm going to get. I'm sorry, I can't do it any bigger. Also sorry for the camera fail. So yeah, just starting the giveaway, and I'm just gonna say goodbye. Bye. And I'm going to show you a new location, Mount Shiver. It gives you the chills. So usually I like wearing this since it's my occasion. I really like. I forgot it's my little thing. And I don't use this since it's gonna get puffed up. There we go. There's my little avatar. If you guys want to see one more time, here it is. Yeah, I know it's really small to see, but this is the best I can get you guys. So check it out. Hi, I'm Queen. Nice to meet everyone. No. Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be why can't we be friends? Party at my den, please come. Okay, if we're gonna do a party, we're gonna do it. And I'm waiting. Oh look, there's someone else. Door's locked. Can we go around somehow? Really? I'm sorry about the thing. You know what? Since it turned around here, I'm gonna turn like this. I'm gonna go to a game. Hang on, so that we can I extend this even more? Is this the biggest it's gonna extend? It's literally the biggest. I'm gonna go to Minecraft since it's in the long thing. So please, I'm for. How does one get in? Oh, you just go through. Oh, there's a portal here. Can easily go back to my den. That's good, at least. So you just click on it to go back out our den. Can we just sleep on this? I'm curious. Sleep. We can! Without going back to our den. You have this amazing stuff. I want to be friends. It's not because they're amazing, I also want to be friends with everyone. Around the world is now my buddy. Nice to meet you. You stumbled in my recording. Hey look! That little character here. He likes to join. He would like to join us, would he? There you go. That's good. Sorry if you just see random stuff. I'm willing to try everything. And that means trying the camera one more time. I'm gonna try it one more time. If not, that's gonna be the end for this video. There we go, it worked! Okay, now it worked. It's because of face cam. I should have known. Alright, you stumbled in my recording. Let me just say that. You stumbled in. You stumbled in my my video. You know what? Just video. Video. You know what? Interrupted. You interrupted in my video. What? Just chill. Just chill. Please. Just chill. It's a vid. Yeah. What? It's a vid, yeah? What? Oh. Hi. Saying hi. You guys see that? I do vids too. Really? I'm pretty sure it's really. Yes. Oh my god. Yay! We have a recording buddy. Are you making a video now? Sorry. Making a vid. Are you making a vid now? One second. I'm would I use screen recording? I can do screen. I can't do screen record. Why did it say candy? Why did it say candy? Why did it say candy? Are you Australian? No. I'm not Australian. Hang on, I gotta put my little shades on and everything else. Because I'm not in the Mount Shimmer anymore. Let's just put this stuff. Oh, there we go. There's my avatar. It looks cool. I'm American. So am I. Yeah, I'm American. And have how do you spell half? Oh, half Mexico. Mexico. Oh, there's it. See. And half Mexican. Boy. Just for you guys, I don't sound like a girl. Like, that's crazy. Why would I sound me? My soda! My drink! I am half Austrian. Oh. Hang on, I need to get my drink. Get. Hang on, guys. Where did she go? Come on. Oh yeah, please give me a bed. Wait, see. Hang on. My mom's name is Maria. Maria. Oh, it sounds Maria. My mom's name is Maria. Maria, not Maria. Thank you, Maria. My mom's name is how do you spell Maria? How do you spell Maria? Hang on, guys. There we go. So back to reality. I know what my name, how to spell it, and I told her. We tell mom's names. My mom's name is Maria. Don't question it. It's just like that. What? Well, I'm gonna have to go for a new blade. Gonna have to go to. Gonna have to end the video somewhere, and I have to end it with a giveaway. Gonna end it in, as I always do, at the beach last time. Crystal Sand. Crystal in crystal. What? Crystal sand. Your block. No. Gonna in really gonna end the vid in So I'm back to the video. So yeah, yet again, cut out the video. So yeah, sorry, I'm gonna have to did here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. So good.